Ancestral mole prito. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 to 8 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 2 hours. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds pork shoulder, 10 cups water, a half piece white onion, 3 cloves garlic, 6 pieces chili pasilla, 4 pieces chili multo, 2 pieces chili chipotle mecos, 3 tablespoons lard, 1.5 cups blue corn masa harina, 1 small piece cinnamon stick. Step 1. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, place the pork cubes, 10 cups of water, half an onion, and 3 cloves of smashed garlic. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface. Step 2. Simmer the pork for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the meat is tender but not falling apart. Remove the meat from the broth and set aside. Strain the broth and reserve at least 8 cups. Step 3. While the meat simmers, prepare the chilies. In a dry skillet over medium heat, lightly toast the pasilla, multo, and chipotle chilies until fragrant, being careful not to burn them as they will turn bitter. Step 4. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl of hot water and let them soak for 20 minutes until soft and pliable. Step 5. In the same dry skillet, toast the masa harina over medium-low heat. Stir constantly for 8 to 10 minutes until it turns a deep golden brown color and smells nutty. This toasting is essential for the dark color of the mole. Step 6. In a blender, combine the soaked chilies, cinnamon, cloves, peppercorns, and 2 cups of the reserved pork broth. Blend until perfectly smooth. Strain through a fine mesh sieve to remove any bits of skin. Step 7. In a separate bowl, whisk the toasted masa harina with 2 cups of cold pork broth until there are no lumps, creating a smooth slurry. Step 8. Heat 3 tablespoons of lard in a large clay pot, cazuela, or heavy pot. Once shimmering, carefully pour in the chili puree. It will splatter, so be ready to stir. Fry the sauce for 10 minutes, stirring constantly until it darkens and thickens. Step 9. Slowly pour the masa slurry into the chili sauce, whisking vigorously to incorporate. Lower the heat to medium-low. Step 10. Add the remaining pork broth and the toasted avocado leaves. The avocado leaves provide the signature anise-like aroma of a true mole prito. Step 11. Cook the mole for 30 to 40 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent the masa from sticking to the bottom. The sauce should become glossy and thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Step 12. Add the cooked pork pieces back into the pot and simmer for another 15 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Season with salt to taste. Step 13. The final consistency should be smooth, dark, and elegant. Remove the avocado leaves before serving if desired, though they are often left in for rustic charm. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.